Before we delve into the realm of your imagination, let me first extend a warm and blessed good afternoon to you all. Today, we gather to honor a remarkable school head who has shaped the lives of many, receiving boundless love in return throughout his illustrious career. This moment is perfect for expressing our profound gratitude for his dedicated service to all the schools he graced. Mr. Amante Kabutahe Liu is known to many as a man of integrity, unwavering faith, and indomitable will. He is a man of his word, a devoted father to his three children, Kay, Kenji, and Kate, a doting grandfather to Pauli Gabriel, and a loving husband to Mrs. Neil Daniel. Our professional journeys began in Ambulugan Elementary School. Surrounded by talented and intelligent individuals, together we experienced victories and setbacks, triumphs and triumphs. Over time, we became more than colleagues. We became a family. The Ambulugan Elementary School family. We will forever cherish the memories and friendships we've built. From the depths of our hearts, we thank you. The mentor we celebrate is none other than Mr. Amante Silio, born on May 31, 1964, in Banguet Abra, to Aniceto and Leonora Liu, who now resides in San Diego, California. Mr. Liu is the eldest of 4 siblings. His sister, Rowena Liu Mose, works as a registered nurse in Sharp Coronado General Hospital, San Diego, while his brother, Rodel Liu, a retired member of the Philippine Navy. The youngest sibling, Liani Liu Tan, is a registered medical technologist living in Alhambra, California. And the only sibling of his mother, Leonora, he is no other than Uncle Bert Kabutahe, who resides in the USA. Mr. Liu met his first and only love, Nilda Torio Liu, a native of Alameda City, Pangasinan, in 1984. They were classmates and friends before marrying in 1991. Together, they have 3 wonderful children. Kay Charmaine, a registered nurse in Los Angeles, California, and recently married to Julius Casabar, a nurse in Saudi Arabia. Kenji, a mechanical engineer and design engineer, married to Maricon Cabingan, a business administration graduate and data analyst, and their daughter, Kauri Gabriel. And Kate Aubrey, a 4-year student intern in Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital studying medical laboratory science at Lorma College's San Fernando City. Driven by determination, Mr. Liu pursued his dreams relentlessly. He completed his elementary education at Lumos Elementary School in 1977 and his high school at St. Francis Xavier High School in 1981. Despite initially aspiring to become an electronic engineer, financial constraints led him to study elementary education at Baguio College's Foundation, now University of the Cordilleras, graduating in 1987. He passed the Philippine Board Examination for Teachers, or PBET, in 1988. Eager to embrace the challenges of teaching, Mr. Liu began his career at St. Martin's School of Assumption, Baguio City, from 1987 to 1990. Seeking better opportunities, he moved to St. Bernadette School in Alabang. Shortly after, he returned to Narvacan, Ilocos Sur, He then served at Narvacan North Central School until 2002, when his hard work and dedication earned him a promotion to head teacher 2 at Sarmingan Elementary School. His pursuit of excellence led him to complete his master's degree with flying colors from Baguio Central University in 1991. In 2003, he was promoted to head teacher 3 at Orense Elementary School, where he served for 18 years, fostering academic excellence and school progress. In 2021, due to reshuffling of school heads, Mr. Liu joined Abulugan Elementary School, where his dedication and hard work left a lasting impact. Mr. Liu's love for Abulugan Elementary School was evident in his tireless efforts to improve the school and his heartfelt interactions with everyone, treating them like family. As we celebrate Mr. Liu's retirement, we express our gratitude for his outstanding contributions. He has been more than a teacher. He has been a mentor, father, friend, and companion. We wish him endless happiness and relaxation in his well-deserved retirement. His commitment to excellence has left an indelible mark on our school and community. May his retirement be filled with joy and fulfillment. Thank you, Sir Liu, for all the wonderful times we've shared. Even as you embark on your new journey, may God's grace be with you always. We wish you all the best, good health, and God's blessings, Sir Liu.
Thank you so much, Sir Nathaniel of Abulugan Elementary School, for the highlights to our honoree. And now, to pay tribute to our honoree, may we call on Dr. Lauren C. Nono, Head Teacher 3 of Orense Elementary School. May we give her a big hand, please.
To our LGU, under the leadership of our Honorable Mayor, Attorney Pablito Sanidad Sr., the epitome of good leadership, our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Alma R. Tabilang, the very committed and dedicated school administrators, as well as the beautiful, handsome, and splendid teachers of Narvacan North District, to the honorees, their family members, friends, visitors, acquaintances, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all. I am honored to be here today to say a few words about Mr. Liu, who retired after 33 years of teaching in the Department of Education. Mr. Liu, you are not only a colleague, a friend, and a mentor to me, and to many others here. You are one of the most kind, most generous, and most fun-loving people I know. You have been a wonderful teacher and a role model for the learners, and especially as a colleague. You have taught the learners how to read, write, and speak English with confidence and creativity. You have introduced in them the beauty and diversity pray. You have been a great leader to us, your colleague, and a team player for your fellow teachers. You have shared your expertise, your resources, and your insights with us. You have collaborated with us on various projects, activities, and events. You have supported us in our professional development and in our personal endeavors. You have always been helpful, cooperative, and cheerful. You have been a loyal friend, a confidant for me and for many others here. You have listened to our joys and sorrows, our hopes and fears, our successes and failures. You have offered us your comfort, your encouragement, and your wisdom. You have celebrated with us our milestones and achievements, our birthdays, and our anniversaries, and our holidays. You have always been there for us when we needed you. And let me use the mnemonics of his name to go further. Amante Leo. Amante si Leo. A stands for admirable by teachers and learners. Talaga nga ni Sir Amante, no kanang kadagiti ubing may di orange and teachers, sila na yung kami amin kini Sir ni nga Amante. And meticulous. Talaga ni Sir, very careful and precise. Sana kayo, dagiti pagpigadan, no sumrat ko, makita lang mo na nalukot, ay sus, masakit si mata na. Iso nga sa simpanan, mas di kaabsat. Or dagiti bote ti mineral water, di tok-tok tisim, di eskwela, nakakayat dagiti kaabsat. Iso nga, nadalus dapat, kung ni Sir di may isang pagadalan, tayo nga menestrati, paruwa di may isang pagadalan. A. Awesome. Extremely impressive performance, di kayat na ni Sir Amante. No mabantay, kami mag-contest, di kayat na tamot ay awid. Ano awan man ti awid, kita ninyo ti scores ti ubing, tamot ay report tayo, na nakagigil parents. Han nga mo pangalatan, pati kaligayan, hamungan nga sinalo up ko na ni Sir. And nurturing, nalay ni Sir Mante, dapat protektaran namin nga ubing, can say no adapt ti papanan, aglalo no rumwar na ni eskwela ang mapamili contest sa kita nga ubing. And then T, transformational. Ang makita tayo ni Sir Leo, nagpagwapo ti eskwela, hindi talagang tingtingaran kini Sir na may isa. And then E, excellent na series ni Sir Amante. C, compassionate. Nalaing ni Sir Amante, makisimpat siya. When at dadagiti makasapol na learners, hasta nagdagiti ka adwa di school, and may sa atin na adal ko, no at sakit, nakakadwa mi, when the members, the family, halaga kami nga teachers na, pati PTA, mapan mi ikarigatan mi kami bisitahin, mapan mi bisitahin di hospital, tapno, makubos kami di moral di pasyente, so di nada mo kini Sir Nancy nga mensa. L, law-abiding leader ni Sir Mante, ang nakakayat at desisyon, nakabase amin di legal basis, directed orders. And I, insightful, manakasaros, no anyaman ti komplikado ang problema, keta kanayan na ibagbaga tulungan na tayo ni Apo, iso nga umamang tayo ganyan na lumagaan kaya mapang-aral tayo. And then you, understanding, man nakaawat kadagiti amin abanag. Hindi daw makita ni Mr. Leo, noon na kami suot, dahil hangaw may nagbasa as to reserve ay, magbigay, ang panitatan, na kami suot ni Sir Christ, to Him belong glory and domination forever and ever. Once again, good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Dr. Loren, for that nostalgic tribute as you recall your good memories with Mr. Amante Silu. And now, no celebration would be complete without hearing from the star of this day. Let us now welcome the honorary Mr. Amante Silu to share a few words. How about a big hand, please?
My service is over, while some of you has just begun. Now I'm talking about retirement. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to each and every one of us. I stand here today with a heart full of gratitude, joy, and just a hint of disbelief that this day has come. Retirement is often described as the end of a chapter. But as I reflect on my journey, I see it as the beautiful beginning of a new one. A chapter that is built on decades of memories, friendships, and meaningful work. First and foremost, I want to thank all of you, my colleagues, friends, and family, especially my Uncle Bert and Auntie Beth, both from the U.S., who went out of their way just to join us in this day's event, who have supported me along the way. Every step of my career has been shaped by the incredible people I have had the privilege to work alongside. From the first day I walked into this workplace, I knew I had found something special. The camaraderie, shared challenges, and moments of triumphs have been the cornerstones of my professional life. Over the years, I have witnessed change and growth, both in the organization and in myself. I've learned the success isn't just about hitting targets or achieving milestones. It's about the relationship we build, the lives we touch, and the purpose we find in our work. It's about those small moments, the laughter during lunch breaks, the weekend collaborations, and the shared victories that brought us closer together. To my colleagues, thank you for inspiring me every day in your dedication, passion, and commitment. Your hard work and passion made coming to work a joy. I have learned so much from you, and I will carry those lessons with me as I move forward. To my family and friends, your unwavering love and support have been my foundation. You cheered me during my highs and lifted me up during my lows. And I could not have found and I could not have achieved any of this without you. As I look forward toward my retirement, I do so with excitement and hope. I plan to spend more time with my loved ones, explore those overdue hobbies, and embrace the adventures waiting just around the corner. While I may be leaving this role, I will never forget the people, experiences, and memories that have shaped me. You have left an indelible mark on my heart. I want to leave you with a simple reminder. Treasure the moments you have. Lift each other up. And find joy in your work, in every day. Because in the end, it's not the title or accolades we remember. It is the people and the impact we leave behind. Thank you, all of you, for being such a meaningful part of my journey. Though I am stepping away, I will always carry the peace of this place and each of you with me. This isn't goodbye. It's simply see you later. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you so much, sir, for that very inspiring words. And now, let's move on to the awarding of plaque of recognition. But before that, to read the citation, may I request Dr. Lauren Nono, Head Teacher 3 of Orense Elementary School, for the reading of the citation. To be awarded by the NND TEA. Of course, she is the NND TEA Secretary. And for the awarding of the plaque of recognition, joining her is the Vice President of the NND TEA, Dr. Larry D. Molina. In the absence of the President.
Let me read to you